Hello students, now in this video we will discuss differentiation, that is lecture 2, and there are some rules. Rule number 1 is addition or subtraction, means if the functions are in addition or in subtraction, what we will do. Okay, here if y is equals to u plus v or u minus v, means addition or subtraction of two functions, then what we will do, differentiation of y with respect to x will be equals to differentiation of v with respect to x plus minus same differentiation of v with respect to x, means we differentiate these two parts separately, and we will put, if it is plus, then we will put plus, if here it is minus, then we will put minus. For example, y is equals to 3x square plus 2x. Y is equals to 3x square plus 2x. dy upon dx will be equals to 3 as it is, x square 2x to the power 2 minus 1 means 1, plus 2 into x, differentiation of x is only 1. Okay, this is 6x plus 2. This is the differentiation. Okay, differentiation of 3x square plus 2x. If there is a minus sign, if there is a minus sign, there will be minus. If there is minus, there will be a 6x minus 2. Okay. Now rule number 2. Rule number 2 is if there are two functions and both the functions are in multiplication, then differentiation of y with respect to x will be equals to u keep one function as it is into differentiation of second function, means differentiation of v with respect to x, plus keep second function or other function into differentiation of first function. If this is first function, this is second function. First function as it is, differentiation of second function, plus differentiation of first function into uh, second function as it is. This is the rule. Okay, just you need to remember. Example is y is equals to 5x cube. This is first function. Okay, this is first function and this is second function. Y is equals to 5x cube into 2x square. Just use the formula. Dy by dx will be equals to first function as it is, means 5x to the power 3. Differentiation of that function. Differentiation of that will be 2 will be as it is. 2 as it is. In place of x square, this is 2x. Means differentiation of 2x is this. Okay. Now plus first function, second function as it is, 2x square as it is, 2x square as it is, and differentiation of first function means differentiation of that function 5 as it is into 3x to the power 3 minus 1, that is 2. This is the differentiation, and you can also simplify. 5 means 20x to the power 4 plus 30x to the power 4 means 50x to the power 4. This is your answer. You also can check your answer, because y is equals to 5x to the power 3 into 2x to the power 2. You can simplify here, that you will have 10x to the power 5. If you differentiate y is equals to 10x to the power 5 dy upon dx, that will be equals to 10 as it is 5x to the power 4 means 50x to the power 4. This is same as uh, this result. Okay, means this formula is correct. Okay, now we will discuss third rule. What is third rule? Rule number 3 is division quotient. Okay, division of quotient. If y is equals to u upon v, like u into v, here y is equals to u upon v, dy upon dx will be equals to v, means denominator into differentiation of numerator minus u dv upon dx upon whole upon is v whole square. This is the formula. Okay, this formula you have to remember. What is the formula? Denominator as it is, differentiation of numerator minus numerator as it is into differentiation of denominator upon denominator whole square. For example, let us take an example. Y is equals to 5x to the power 3 upon 2x square. 2x square. Dy upon dx will be equals to what? Denominator as it is. V is the denominator, as it is means 2x square. Differentiation of numerator means 5 as it is 3x to the power 2 minus numerator as it is means 5x to the power 3 into differentiation of denominator, that is 2 as it is 2x to the power 2 minus 1 means 1 means 2x. Okay, upon denominator square means 2x square whole square. Now this is what 30x to the power 4 minus this is what, this is 20x to the power 4 upon 4x to the power 4. You will write 10x to the power 4 upon 4x to the power 4 cancel out. This is 10 upon 4, you can write 5 by 2. This is your answer. Okay, and let us check this answer. Okay, this equation you can simplify. This is x to the power 2, this is x to the power 3, and after solving this you will have only x to the power 3 minus 2 means 5 by 2 into x. We know that the dy upon dx is equals to only x, means 5 by 2 into 1, simply 5 by 2. This is the result and you can match with the previous result. Hope you are understanding and thanks for watching this video. Thank you.